Okay, so on the second page we have, it says what's the slope of the line that passes through a pair of points. So if life throws you a pair of points and asks you to find the slope, all you need to do is remember this formula. It is, I need some space to write, m equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Okay, so, and then the first step that I do is label your points. Knock that out. And then put your points into the equation. So as long as you don't mess up putting the points in, you're in good shape. So y2 is 1, y1 is 7, x2 is 10, and x1 is 1. So 1 minus 7 is negative 6. 10 minus 1 equals 9. We can reduce this one more time. They can both be divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So that is negative 2/3. So then on number 4, it says, does the equation represent direct variation? If so, find the constant variation. Well, direct variation is whenever you have an equation that matches this format, y equals k times x. Notice that there isn't any other number right here. So it just has to be k times x. In this particular equation, it's 2x minus 4y equals 0. Okay, so we gotta do a little work on this. So let me get some room here. So 2x minus 4y equals 0. Notice that the y is by itself, so we need to move this 2x to the other side. To do that, let's do minus 2x minus 2x. Alright, that cancels the 2x on that side. Then we get minus 4y equals negative 2x. Hopefully you can still read everything. Then we need to divide by negative 4. That cancels that negative 4 and we get y equals a negative and negative is a positive. 2 divided by 4 equals 1/2 x. Okay, so it does match y equals k times x. And our k, if I bust out my highlighter, our k is this 1/2. So it looks like C is the one that we are looking for. Okay, and number 5, it says suppose y varies directly with x and y equals 10 and x equals negative 3. It says y varies directly with x. What direct variation equation relates x and y? What is the value of y when x equals 1? Negative 1. Alright, so since we know that y varies directly with x, that means we are using this equation. Then it gives us two numbers here. And we just need to plug those in. So y equals 10 and x equals negative 3. Next we need to solve for k. So divide by negative 3. And so we get negative 10/3 equals k. Okay, so we got negative 10/3 equals k, but we're trying to find out what is y when x equals negative 1. So we need to take y equals k times x again, plug this negative 10/3 that we found into here for k, and also plug this negative 1 in for x. Okay, so that would give us y equals negative 10/3 times x, which is negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 10/3, that just equals a positive 10/3. And that would be our answer. So the first part is we find the negative 10/3, y equals negative 10/3 x, and then the y equals 10/3. So D's the one that we're looking for. Number 6, it says what are the slope and y-intercept of the graph? Alright, these are really easy and really fast. So slope and y-intercept. these, you need to notice that they are in the form of y equals mx plus b. This is slope-intercept form. Now, if you know that the m is slope and that the b is the y-intercept, then you are in really, really good shape, because it says, so m is slope, so this is the slope, and then the y-intercept is the 2. So the slope is -9 and the y-intercept is 2. So the answer is B. What about down here? The slope is 9/8 and the y-intercept is -3/10. And 9/8, -3/10, bam. 5-second questions. The slope is -5/6 and the y-intercept is 6.9. Piece of cake. So those are done. So this is page 2. Now let's check out page number 3.